Now that you've registered to EduGrid, the next step that we're going to take is to edit your profile. You can always access your profile by this horizontal menu and by clicking on Profile, which will bring you to this page. As you can see, it's a blank page, as yours will be, and it doesn't have any details, a picture, or any widgets, which we'll talk about later. So right now, what we'll do first is to click on Edit Details. This brings up a screen that just gives general information about you. So in the About Me, we'll keep it short right there. You'll probably write something longer. You've got the ability to use any HTML that you'd like. For example, insert a table or any media or emoticons. And you can make text bold or whatever you'd like to do. Take a few minutes and play around with some of the options that you have there. Next, you got a brief description, your location, interests, your skills, a contact email, and so on. You can choose to leave some of these fields blank. Also, what's important to note is that for each one of these, you can limit the access to either private, which will mean that it's not shown, logged in users, or public. I'll keep all of this for logged in users right now, and I'll click Save. Okay, so you can see that it filled in some information here. Now the next thing I want to do is to edit my profile icon. There's a convenient browse function that will allow you to browse for a picture and upload it. I'll go to my desktop, and there's a picture I have prepared, and I'll click Upload. Should take just a second. Here's a profile picture cropping tool that's pretty cool. I don't want all of it to show for my avatar, so I'll just select this, click Create Your Avatar, and as you can see, here's my current avatar. As we go back to the main part of the profile by clicking Profile, you can see it's updated there. And now I'll take you to an interesting part. It's called Widgets. Click Edit Page up here, and you can see a widget gallery. What a widget is a small application. It can be just about anything, and we're frequently updating them. But I'll give you a few examples. I can drag my friends icon here, say my group memberships. I want to put my files here in the middle. Maybe some Flickr, and this will all be customizable later. I want to hear about Second Life headlines here, and let's do something about YouTube. Alright, after I've dragged them to the position where I want them to be, I'll go ahead and click Save, and you can see all of the things that I've added are now here on the page. All of these have the ability to be edited. As you can see, the edit button, and if you've got a Flickr ID, you would enter it here. I don't have mine handy. YouTube, you just enter a YouTube ID, and so on and so forth. And that concludes our profile.